Tired of searching for the perfect home that never quite fits? Stop settling for someone else's dream. Build your own. When you build your dream home, you choose what's important to you. Choose your perfect lot, greenbelt views, corner privacy, or space to entertain. The choice is yours. Choose your elevation and colors that make your home stand out. Handpick the floor plan that fits your lifestyle. No compromises. Design without limits. Explore our design studio where you can unleash your creativity with endless finishes and upgrades. All this and you can move into your dream home within 4 to 5 months. Don't settle. Build your dream home. Start today at Pulte.com.